Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link a bank account to Robinhood. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to gather required information. So you're going to need a bank account number. So you want to find your bank account number on a check or bank statement. You're also going to need routing number. You can find your routing number on a check or bank statement as well. And you're also going to need the account type. So you can choose between checking or savings. Now, step 2 is to access the Robinhood app. Just open the Robinhood app on your mobile device and then tap account in the bottom navigation bar, and then you want to tap settings in the top right corner and then tap banking and select link a bank account. Now, step 3 is to link your bank account. What you want to do here is to enter your bank account information, and that's your account number, routing number, and account type. And then you want to review and confirm your entry, and once you're done with that, Robinhood will verify your account through a series of small test deposits. Now move on to step 4, and that's to verify your bank account. So you gotta wait for the test deposit that Robinhood is going to make into your bank account, and then just enter the exact amount of the test deposits in the Robinhood app. And once verified, your bank account is going to be linked to Robinhood. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to link a bank account to Robinhood. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.